Welcome to Wealth in Your Sleep, your source for online success. My name is Wes. Today is day 120 in my case study where I'm using My Lead Gen Secret to get ClickBank sales. So if you don't know what My Lead Gen Secret are or ClickBank, I'll link a short video up above. Go ahead, watch that video, and then come back here. And if you want to watch any of my older videos in the playlist, I'll link that playlist down in the video description. Go ahead, check those out. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to thank all my new subscribers as well as the subscribers that have been following me in my case study. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you get notified of my videos when they come out, and then share my videos. Okay, so My Lead Gen Secret is the lead source. That's where I'm getting all my leads. I have 12 accounts. I've scaled up. I started with one account last year, and coming into this new year, I started adding new accounts, stacking each one underneath the other using the 5-level referral program. Okay, so I referred myself 11 times, and in turn, I'm getting bonus leads every single day, and I'm also able to earn my own referral rebates back up through every single account. Okay, so in turn, I get free leads because at this point, I have enough referrals. Uh, this platform is essentially free, so I'm getting free leads, and I'll explain more about that towards the end of the video. Okay, so, and if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's a marketplace for vendors and affiliates, and it's free to join. You can create an account and you can start promoting affiliate offers in all sorts of categories. And we focus on the e-business and e-marketing category because the leads that we get from My Lead Gen Secret are biz opportunity leads. Okay, they're looking to make money online. So that's why we promote those offers. And I promote two of the highest promoting offers, which are paying social media jobs, or I like to call it social paid, and then right app reviews or right apps. Okay. And then on my two newest accounts, I've been promoting my other business offers. So you might not see any sales from ClickBank for those two accounts. Okay, so let's get right into it and let's see if I got a sale in the last 2 days. I got a really big one actually. So I got a big one for $100.13. But before I get into that and show you where exactly it came from, I want to talk about my paycheck. So I didn't get a paycheck last week because, as you know, my threshold, I set it to $100. You can set it as low as $10, but I set it at $100 because I am getting more sales and I want to protect myself against any refunds or chargebacks. And that is one of the main reasons I promote ClickBank offers because all the people that buy through ClickBank have a 60-day guarantee. Okay, so I just want to protect myself, and it also reduces the amount of paycheck debits. So every time you get a paycheck, they take $2.50 out of that paycheck. And by getting less paychecks, I in turn keep more money in my pocket. Okay, not a lot, but a little bit adds up to a lot. Okay, so my new paycheck is going to be $154.06. Today is Thursday, so it'll be direct deposited into my account tomorrow on Friday. Okay, so this new sale will not be in there. This accounts all the way up till Tuesday. So I think this one, yeah. So I think this was the last sale that was included in this week's paycheck. Okay, so this new one's going to be in next week's paycheck. So let's go and see exactly where this sale came from. Okay, so I use tracking IDs in all of my affiliate links or hop links, like ClickBank likes to call them. Um, you can add tracking IDs by adding the and or ampersand and TID equals and then whatever you want after that. And I usually use this format where I label it the number account it came from, followed by the platform, followed by the landing page I sent them to. So with these offers, they have job landing page variations. So this one came from the virtual assistants one, and then the date I sent the email. So this email I sent the day before, so I got the sale the day after on the 7th. Okay, So this sale was for $100.13. Came with an upsell and it was for social paid. So that's the important details that you need to know about this sale. Um, let's just jump right into my spreadsheet. Okay, so if you want a version of this spreadsheet, I have a version of it, not the most current one, but there's a version of it in the free bonuses. If you would like me to update it and add my new stuff to it, then let me know, comment down below, and I'll update it and get a newer version in there. Okay, so I track my daily hops so that way I can see the interest level of the the offers I'm promoting, okay? So by being able to track how many hops you're getting on a daily basis, you can kind of track the interest levels as well as um, well, no, I guess basically that's it. You're just making sure that your links are working properly and you're also able to track the interest level. Okay, so excuse me. So yesterday I got 1,158 hops. So if you don't know, if you're just tuning in towards the end of last month, I switched it up. Instead of sending them straight to the ClickBank links, I sent them to my own custom landing pages um, where I could capture their information, like their email and their name, and then I can follow up with them with my own autoresponder series. Initially, I got some really good interaction, so I was getting really high hops. But then towards the beginning of this month, it died down and it started to slump. But the very first day I decided to switch back to sending ClickBank links was the third, and I got a sale that exact day. It still continued to drop that one day after, and then now it's on an upward climb again. So I'm just going to stick with using the ClickBank links. One, because these are permission-based leads. Now, if you don't know what that is, if you go to the My Lead Gen Secret sales page, if you scroll down, it'll tell you all about it. That's why the leads are so cheap. We're splitting the cost with all the other members. So, so yeah, so they're permission based. So they're getting emails from other members. It is a competitive market, but it's working. I'm producing sales on a more consistent basis. So if you have any concerns about that, I wouldn't worry too much. It's a very affordable lead source to get started in your internet marketing journey, and you could still capture them if you want. I have had interaction with several leads and even got sales uh, promoting to those leads. Okay, so currently I'm averaging about 832 hops per day. That's based on mainly my dip in leads, or I'm sorry, my dip in hops the last few days. But it's on its uprise, so I imagine this will hit 1,000 here pretty soon. Um, and then I have my goals. So if you're not setting goals, you should, because if you're not striving for something, then you don't really have a plan in place, and you should set plans. You should set goals so that way you can work to getting to that goal. Okay. So right now, my first goal is hitting 1,200 a day. So a little bit far off from that right now, but it's achievable. And if I hit that goal, I should hit that second one of 37,200 per month. And then my third goal is hitting 450 YouTube subscribers. So right now I just saw that I was at 387. So thank you so much for my new subscribers as well as everybody that's been following me. I greatly appreciate it. If you're new, I greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you get notified of my videos when they come out, and then share my videos. Okay, so let's go to my accounting. Okay, so this is my accounting section. This is when I started all my accounts, and I do have a prior history which I've separated. These are all my accumulating leads with a total. I have 12 accounts. Okay, so I started my case study in May, and I knew going into May because I've had a prior history as well as watching other case studies. I knew I wasn't going to be in profit that very first month. It was going to take 2 to 3 months. So if you're looking to get started, it is a long game and it's going to pay off if you stick with it for the long run. Okay. If you're looking for a quick buck or a get rich quick scheme, I want to turn you away right now because this is not a get rich quick. This is for serious internet marketing. This is email marketing, and we're actually promoting real affiliate offers. So if you're looking for a get rich quick scheme, I'm going to advise you to leave and go watch something else because this is for serious people that are looking for a long game and getting a lead source to their offers and then essentially getting free leads at some point because you'll be referring people to the system so that you get these free leads. Okay, and then potentially an income source as well. Okay, so as I came into the second month, I was in profit for that month only. Okay, so I hit 133.82% return on investment. Uh, Going into July, I was in total profit. I had broke even and then went into profit in my total history as well as my case study. So that was awesome. It was a really good breakthrough. I was at 272.94% return on investment for something that was only costing me $300. I made $818.83. That was combined with my lead gen secret referral income as well as my ClickBank net income or my paychecks that I received through ClickBank. Okay. So, so yeah, and then tracking this helps you better understand what you're actually making because some people just get started and they're like, oh, I only made one sale. But I mean, you only have one account as well. You can do good with one account, but you're just gonna have to stay consistent. You're gonna have to be in it for a while to really see more results on a daily basis with only one account. So I recommend at least two accounts when you get started because you'll see faster results. Okay, and then if you have a good mentor like me and you can, leverage the bonuses that I give you, then you can also duplicate what I'm doing because really I'm just copying the vendor swipes, which I converted with the short codes for my lead gen secret, and then I link them. I have the affiliate links right underneath each email swipe with tracking IDs added to the end of it so that way you can add your own unique tracking ID and see where your sales and clicks are coming from. Okay, so um, so let's just move down into September. So this brand new month in September, I already have 3 sales, and this is reporting the first 7 days of the month. So that's really cool. That's really awesome. All of them have been for paying social media jobs. And then we just learned in the beginning of the video that I have a paycheck coming tomorrow for $156.04. Okay, so the sales fall into a pay cycle at ClickBank where it goes from Wednesday until Tuesday at midnight Pacific Standard Time. And then that next Wednesday, we're usually able to know what our paycheck will be. Okay. So I don't get paid out daily on these sales. We get paychecks. Okay. And then these referral rebates or referral commissions, they add up as your members underneath you pay their monthly subscriptions. So this is residual income, and if your account hits a minimum of $30, then you can request that payout. So currently, I can request 7 payouts. I think that's seven. Yeah, 7 payouts from my 12th account, 11th account, second, fourth, fifth, ninth, and first account. And this will update as the month goes on, and then closer to the end of the month, I will go on video on a video and then request those payouts live just so you can see that I'm transparent and I'm honest and I'm not BSing you like some of these other clowns. Okay, so so far total net income of $403.04. and then a total return on investment of $111, or I'm sorry, 111.96% return on investment. So I'm already in profit. I could just request these payouts and then collect my paycheck on Friday and be in profit already. $43. Okay. So, so far I'm in total case profit of $882.84, and this will just keep going up. Okay, so far I've invested $1,860 in my case study, and I've made $2,742.54. So that's amazing results if you ask me. That's 147.45% return on investment. Now let's go into my sales. Now my sales, I have two sections, two important parts of this area. I have all my sales added up, and now these lines in blue are factors that help me calculate how much I'm averaging on a daily basis. Okay, so 3 sales so far this month, a total of $156.25. So 3 sales. I have 32 order form impressions. So if you were sending these people to a capture page and you were collecting their email, that's what an order form impression would be, because in ClickBank, when you send them to the landing page, that vendor collects the email and then directs them to an order form where they can pay to become a member. Okay, so when they get to that order form, I know that they've become a subscriber to the vendor. So that is that is something I add to my traffic calculator. Okay, it helps me understand my conversion. So it actually helps me understand this part. Okay, and then total 7 days reporting so far this month. So um, September 1st through September 7th. So I'm averaging 832 hops. My cost per click, okay, or cost per hop in ClickBank is it's about a penny and a half per click, okay? Super cheap. Usually if you're doing solo ads or buying traffic packages, the lowest you'll be able to usually spend is about 40 cents a click. Now, this is 1.5 cents a click, so a fraction of that, okay? And it can go from 40 cents all the way up to over $1, and even sometimes a few dollars per click, okay, depending on your traffic source. So I'm averaging about 5 order form impressions per day, and my conversion rate is 9.38%. So out of the 32 order form impressions, 3 people bought. That gives me a 9.38%. Okay. And I'm getting about 0.43 sales per day. So about a sale every 2 to 3 days. Okay. And then my average earning per sale is $52.08. So pretty good actually. Okay. So that's been climbing upward, if you can see. So hopefully it keeps going upward. If not, this is a pretty good average. Now, all of this information helps me understand this. And then as we get more data in the month, this section will populate, as I allow it, because when in the first few days of the month, there's really no data. So I don't adjust this at all. Okay. So I'll explain this in a second. So my gross revenue per day. So this is, um, my total sales divided by the number of days. Averages out to $22.32 per day. Now there's a cost with My Lead Gen Secret, so it's $1 per day per account. Okay, so I have 12 accounts, so it's $12. So subtract that $12 from my $22.32 average, gives me a profit of $10.32. So in turn, explained more simply, I spend I spend $12, I made $22.32. So I profit $10.32. So that's 186.1%. Now, um, if you know that My Lead Gen Secret has a referral program, so we're actually able to earn money back, essentially making my average daily cost or expense uh, for these leads, or yeah, for these clicks, um, cheaper. So it actually reduces. So this is calculated by pulling this number right here. So each month will be different. So currently I'm able to withdraw $247. So they take that 247 that I'm able to request right now. This will change as I'm able to request more payouts, but currently it's $247. And then it it first it subtracts 360 from this number and then divides it by the number of days in the month. And in September, there's 30 days. So that is the calculation up here. You can see it. So my actual cost is $3.77 per day. So much cheaper than $12 a day, which increases my profit per day to $18.55. That's a 592.6% return on investment. So that's amazing. Okay. And if I earn more from my lead gen secret than I actually spend, then at that point it's not an expense because then I'm actually earning money. So then it's just another income stream in itself. I'm getting free leads and essentially free sales, only costing me my time of sending out those emails. Okay, so let's go into the 5-level referral program. So this is how I'm leveraging my lead gen secret. They have 5 levels that you can earn from. So when you refer somebody directly, they will be a level 1 referral. Okay, and then that person refers somebody, then that will be a level 2 referral. And if that person refers somebody, then that person will be a level 3 referral. So on and so forth. Okay, what I did is I've referred myself using my own referral links 11 times, and I've referred myself. Okay, really easy to do. Um, I used to think that you would need brand new email accounts for each account, but there's a trick to doing it. I showed you in my last video. So if you want to check that out, go check out my last video. I showed you how to do that using only one email address. Okay. And then I've added all my referrals for each level. And then beneath each account, that's how much I'm earning per account on a monthly basis. So the green ones I'm able to request every single month, while the red ones, they don't hit that $30 minimum threshold, so I'm not able to request those payouts every single month. But when I do request them, they're usually about double. Okay, so this number, that's where this number fluctuates. Okay, so when I come back here and you see this number, so this is just what I'm actually earning, but I'm not able to request that full payout unless it hits that $30 threshold. So some months will be really high and then others will be a little bit lower. Okay. So I'm earning $393. It cost me $360 to have all 12 accounts. So I'm actually in the positive $33. So it cost me nothing to have all 12 accounts. So that's why I encourage you to at least occasionally refer people to the system if you have My Lead Gen Secret. Now you can do that in your signature, or you can just send out a couple emails a week or a month to refer more people to My Lead Gen Secret. Sometimes I just add a link, get My Lead Gen Secret in my signature, and more often than not, people actually click it and sign up. So I've gotten a few members this month, a few members last month, and then a few members the month before. And now look, I'm in the positive, I'm getting free leads. Now, if you're interested on how I've stacked my accounts, this is a little model diagram of how I've stacked my accounts. Um, when I decided to scale up and have a total of 10 accounts, I I referred myself in a specific way that I would earn all of my referrals back to my first account. Okay. Now that's changed because now I have 2 new accounts. So these 2 new accounts don't make it all the way up to my first account, but I'm still earning through all of these accounts. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, I could go sideways and refer myself under maybe one of my lower accounts, but then you have things going sideways and it starts to get a little bit more confusing, okay, on where you should be getting your referral request payouts, okay? So this is why I stacked it this way. Um, Most people stack it straight down, one right underneath the other. Just make sure you grab the next referral link. So if you're creating a second account, grab your first account's referral link, sign up under that referral link. Now, if you're going to get a third account, make sure you grab your second account's referral link and then sign up using that one, okay? Not really hard to do. And like I said, if you only have one email address, then or you can't get another one, then check out my last video. I explained how to do that closer to the end of the video. Okay, so that's all I really have. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to get started, click that very first link in the video description. Send me an email, wes@wealthinyoursleep.com. I'll make sure you get your bonuses, your access to my shared drive where I'm adding new content, and then my video training so you can get started right away and understand how I'm formatting my emails and how you should so that you can duplicate the results that I'm getting. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, I greatly appreciate it if you would. Hit that like button, hit that bell icon so you get notified of my videos when they come out, and then share my video. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Wes. Today was day 120 in my case study. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.